Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 7.4. Topic is addition and subtraction of fraction. Students, in order to add or subtract in like fraction, we add or subtract their numerators and retain the common denominators. For example, see question number 1, n part. I am taking n part because both fraction have same denominator, so it means it is like fraction. See this fraction, it is mixed fraction, so we convert in improper fraction. 8 1 ja 8 and 5, it is 13 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8. So both are like fraction. So 13 plus 1 is equal to 14 upon 8. It is your answer. For 14 and 8, see, they are multiples of 2. 2 4 ja and 2 7 ja. So lowest term is 7 upon 4. Now we convert in mixed fraction because their question is in mixed fraction, तो हमें आंसर को भी mixed fraction में देना होगा. Here denominator is greater, तो see how can we convert in mixed fraction? Numerator we will write here and 4 is divisor. 4 1 ja 4 because 4 2 ja is greater than 7, so 7 minus 4 is 3. So 1 is quotient, so we will write here 1 whole number 3 by 4. Remainder we will write here in numerator. See, it is your answer. Okay. But in unlike fraction, what we'll do? First of all, we'll convert each fraction into like fraction. See, here is denominator is 4, 12 and 3. First we find the LCM of these denominators. See here, 2 2 ja, 2 6 ja. So 3 is not divided by 2, so we'll write same. Again 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja and 3 we'll write same. And now next number is 3 1 1 1. So 3 2 ja 6 2 ja 12. So LCM is 12. So we will write first fraction 3 upon 4. 4 multiply which number will come, we get 12. So 4 3 ja 12. It means 3 upon 3. So 9 upon 12. Next fraction is 5 upon 12. So here denominator is 12. So I am leaving this fraction क्योंकि ये इसमें डिनोमिनेटर में एलसीएम का ही नंबर है. अब सी नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन 2 upon 3. Here denominator is 3. So 3 multiply 4 is 12. So it means we multiply by 4. It means 4 2 ja 8 upon 12. So we get 1, 2 and 3. 9 upon 12, 5 upon 12 and 8 upon 12. It means we get like fractions 9 upon 12 plus 5 upon 12 plus 8 upon 12. So we find 9, 5, 14 and 8, 22 upon 12. And both numbers are multiples of 12. 2 11 ja 2 6 ja. So 11 upon 6, again numerator is greater, so we convert in mixed fraction. In rough space you will see 11 and 6, 6 1 ja 6, and 11 minus 6, 5. So your answer is 1 whole number 5 by 6. Answer. One more part I am explaining, F part. 2 whole number 1 by 9 plus 1 whole number 1 by 3. So it is mixed fraction. So first we convert in improper fraction. So 9 2 ja 18 and 1. 19 upon 9, 3 1 ja 3 and 1, 4 upon 3. And LCM of 9 and 3, you can check in rough. LCM of 9 and 3 is 9. So we are taking first fraction 19 upon 9, because 9 is equal to LCM. So हम इस फ्रैक्शन को ऐसे ही रहने देंगे. And second fraction 4 upon 3. Here is 3. Denominator is 3. So 3 multiply 3 is 9. So we get 3. So it means we will write here also 3 by 3. So it means 12 upon 9. So here is one fraction and second fraction 9 upon 9 and 12 upon 9. So we add it, 9 upon 9 plus 12 upon 9. So what we get? 31 upon 9. So these are, see, it is greater than denominator. So हमें convert करना पड़ेगा mixed fraction में. So check कर सकते हैं आप रफ में. 9 3 जा 27 and balance is, it means remainder is 4. So we get this one. Now question number 2, A part. 7 upon 8 subtract 1 upon 8. So both are like fraction because denominator are same. Then 7 minus 1 is 6. Then we will write 6 upon 8. And 6 and 8 both are multiples of 2. So reduce कर देंगे हम. 2 3 जा and 2 4 जा. So we get 3 upon 4. We are watching G part. 2 whole number 7 by 9 minus 1 whole number 8 upon 15. First we convert in improper fraction. Multiply and plus. Multiply and plus. So we get 25 upon 9 and 23 upon 15. So here denominator are different. So we will find LCM. So 5 and 15, 9 and 15. LCM of 9 and 15 is 45. So we take first fraction 25 upon 9. Here denominator is 9. 9 multiply 5 is 45. So we will write here 5 upon 5. And second fraction, here denominator is 15. 15 multiply 3 is 45. So we will write here 3 upon 3. So 25 5 ja 125 upon 45. 23 3 ja 69 upon 45. So now here denominator are same. So 125 minus 69 is equal to C 56 upon 45. Here numerator is greater, तो हमें मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो आंसर इज 1 whole number 11 upon 45. One more part I am explaining, last L part. 10 minus 6 whole number 3 by 8. So here is 10. It means here denominator is not given. So we can write here 1. 6 8 ja plus 3. So 6 8 ja 48 and plus 3, 51 upon 8. So here 1 and 8, LCM of 1 and 8 is 8. So LCM is equal to 8. Now first fraction 10 upon 1. 1 multiply 8 is equal to 8. So 8 upon 8 minus 51 upon 8. Here denominator is same. So 10 8 ja 80 upon 8 minus 51 upon 8. So what we get? 80 minus 51, 29 upon 8, and न्यूमरेटर इज ग्रेटर, सो हम मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 8 3 जा 24 and remainder is 5. Answer. Let's see question number 3. It is word problem. Rahul spent 1 upon 3 of an hour in painting his toy aeroplane. So 1 upon 3 of, it means 60 minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes. And 1 upon 6 of an hour in polishing his shoes. So 1 upon 6 of 60 minutes. So we convert in minute. So 1 upon 3 of means multiply 60 plus 1 upon 6 of multiply 60. So 60 is multiples of 3. 3 1 ja 3 20 ja 6 1 ja 6 10 ja. So we get 20 plus 10. So answer is 30 minutes. Now see question number 4. Ananya makes 1 upon 2 liter of water with 1 upon 8 liter of orange squash. So how much mixture does she get? So total mixture 1 upon 2 liter of water and 1 upon 8 liter orange squash. So total is, ऐड करना है हमें. So both are unlike fraction. So LCM is 2 and 8. LCM is 8. 1 upon 2. Denominator is 2. 2 4 ja 8. So it means 4 upon 4 plus 1 upon 8. इधर denominator is same. So हमें ऐसे ही छोड़ना है इसे. Now 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8 plus 1 upon 8. So total mixture 4 plus 1 5 upon 8 liter. Answer. Question number 5 is same as question number 4. So do yourself. And now see question number 6. It is your last question of this exercise. Rahul and Jay bought a cake. So Rahul ate 2 upon 5 part and Jay ate 3 upon 10. So question is, who ate more? So first we convert in like fraction. So 5 and 10. LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. So we will write first fraction. Here denominator is 5. 5 2 ja 2. 5 2 ja 10. So we get 2. 2 upon 2. So here Rahul parts is 2 2 ja 4 upon 10. And Jay, here is denominator is 10. तो हम इसको ऐसे ही रहने देंगे 3 upon 10. So Rahul ate 4 upon 10 and Jay 3 upon 10. So Rahul ate more because 4 upon 10 is greater. And B part, how much? So 4 upon 10 minus 3 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon 10. It is your answer. So students, do remaining sums in practice notebook. Have a nice day. Thank you.